Hey guys, it's Katie here. I'm yet again doing another review with Shoes of Hollywood, which I absolutely love doing for all of you guys. Today we'll be looking at our beautiful little pleasers. They are a KISS-209. Okay, so these shoes you'll be amazed by. They are so fantastic for events. Formals, if you're going to the opera, anything you like, anything you want to just feel that little extra bit over the top for, it is just amazing. So let me open them up and I'll show you what I mean, because you'll all love it. Now, lots of our pleasers come in these beautiful little bags. I've got so many in my wardrobe. You've got your beautiful little individual bag. Now these ones, they're a little bit special. They've got our pleaser drawstring bag as well, so you can have extra protection, but they also have this little bit of plastic. Now the reason they do have this plastic is because you have multi-sized rhinestones on the shoe. How beautiful are these? So as you can see here, they are all individually stuck on, and I feel the pleaser just does a really good job of that. Little bits of protection in here as well, so you got less movement when it comes to posting them out to you guys. These are a 6-inch as well, so it is super great. If you don't want to be up too high, you want it to fit with that perfect dress you bought earlier in the day, or skirt and shirt, whatever the event may be. I love having these in my wardrobe because, as you guys may know, I wear 8-inch all the time, but these are really suitable for when you go out and have a good night. Actually look here. This is a holographic sole as well, so you know, if you just want good quality, these ones are definitely my go-to. You have it on the strap. I'm super excited to show you outside because it is stunning. A little bag. A little bit of plastic. So beautiful. The grippy part as well, okay? So you don't have to worry about falling over when you're out. Hopefully you won't. Pop them on for you, and I'll take you for a little walk. They have a little buckle here as well. So the buckle is super great. If you don't want your foot to be too loose in the shoe, it's really secure. They look beautiful with my red. That in there. Take you for a little walk. Super easy to walk in. If you want to do a little turn when you're out in that lovely gown, nice and comfy. I'll give you a little side view. I love them. They do have the clear bottom, which is also super good. Now, I'm going to take you guys outside because hopefully I can show you all those little bits of sparkle in these beautiful shoes. Do not forget to leave me some comments because I love to hear your feedback on these stunning shoes. Oh. It's not super sunny outside, but look, you can already see how each one is giving off a little bit of a different colour. I find these so easy to walk in. It's almost like you're walking down a catwalk every time you walk. Oh, look at that. Amazing. Don't you guys think? I love them. Super upset it's not a very sunny day. Here in Australia, it is normally super beautiful outside, especially you guys who do live here, you would know that usually it is sunny. We get the odd rainy day, but that's okay. Walking these all day. Very easy to take off as well. So after your long night of dancing, just like that. It's that easy, guys. Please don't forget, click the little bell. See you guys.